Okay guys, this is a top round roast. I always brown my roast, just olive oil and a little salt and pepper. It makes a huge difference in the way it tastes and looks once it's cooked. Okay, I just want to show y'all the difference. Look at this as compared to sticking a big hunk of raw meat in a slow cooker. It's going to be so much better. It is so worth the extra 10 minutes. And because this is not a fatty roast, we're going to pour the drippings right over it. And then this is a barbecue sauce this is just going to be more like a barbecue roast instead of a pot roast. And I got the recipe from Carolyn Bradford's blog. Y'all, she's awesome, a great cook. Tweaked it just a little bit. So I've never really made this version before, but I cannot wait. And I'm going to put the lid on, and I've got it on 7 hours on low. And I'll check in with y'all tonight when it's done. Okay, now I'm going to check the roast. When you use a casserole crock, it cooks more quickly, but this is looking good. It's still not fork tender. So I'm going to turn it, and then I'm going to cover it again. And I think it will take 3 or 4 more hours before it pulls apart with a fork. But I think it's going to be great, so I'll show y'all what it looks like tonight when it's done. Cooks things much more quickly than a regular slow cooker. Look, I'm cutting this with a fork, y'all, and this is a very lean cut of meat, and I'm just gonna let this stay in the sauce. And Zane and I have dinner plans tonight, but we're gonna let Emma eat this off like on top of mashed potatoes with the turnip greens, and it will be incredible.